this isn't what I usually do, but I do have a gaming video, but I will have art at the end, so stick
Hi.
around to see that. Anyway, enjoy. Sam?
No! Oh, okay.
Did you get back up?
We're on your screen.
No, to your screen. How do we get to your screen? You're alive. Okay. I got dragged. You need to go up. You need to go back inside. You need to find your way back to the hibernation zone. No! Go down, Sam. Go down. No!
Oh.
Woogie, woogie, woogie.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Damn it.
Oh.
Oh God. Up. Oh jeez. I'm gonna drown, Sam. Goodbye, Sam. Keep going up. I believe in you. You died. Oh, you got stuck there. Oh. Okay. Whoa, look on the right. What the fuck is that?
What is that?
Oh my God.
No, I'm so sick of water.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's charming.
Are they bullying me? They're bullying me. They're bullying me. They're bullying me. Oh, no. Sam. Run, Sam. I'm gonna drown. Run. Keep going to the right. Keep going to the right. Up, up and right. Up and right. Jump. Spam the jump button. Yes! No way. No way. Yay. Oh. Ooh.
Oh. This is pretty. Oh, these...
The paddles. Whoa.
Hello.
There's exactly 5 of them, Sam.
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Well, I mean, we have full stuff, so I guess we can fix it. Why is the freaking out down there? Why is the bar shaking and red?
I don't know.
Oh, no! Significant gain, but at what cost? Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh no. Oh my
no.
God.
We're murderers.
Sam. I don't want to play anymore.
Where am I?
Left, 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 left. Oh, you're dead. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Huh. I know I promised you guys some art, but Here's an acorn. There you go. That's what you get. Nah, I'm just kidding. I got more. Here.